Hey, Ben here with Studio on the Lake. Hey, here's a little quick video. I got a package from Jordy, but here's the end of this. There is a fast-forwarded, unauthorized repaint. My daughter took this and repainted him. She didn't like my colors, but that's at the end for a bonus in fast time. But here's the important part. This is a package that Jordy sent me, and it's a real package this time. It's not one of those ones that Just Carve Rob and Jordy and I have been screwing around with. And he sent me another shipment of cottonwood bark. I'd mentioned I wanted some, it'd be nice if you could get this stuff with a few more pieces on the sides as opposed to the one individual piece. And Jordy, the goodness of his heart, went ahead and sent me this, and that's awesome. So I have enough of this stuff now to do several fairy houses and some faces. But here's what came out of that box that Jordy sent me. And the neat part is, I don't know if you can see it on there, he's got some turquoise marker. He has marked out a few, started to lay out a few patterns, but even the little pieces are worth their weight in gold, and he sent me some little ones. If I'm kind of jaded, I've got a lot of wood, and in my initial carving days, I would save every little scrap and turn it into something. And with all the basswood I've got now, I tend to treat it badly. But if you get one chunk of wood that you paid $50 for. But hey, look at this. This is the money shot right here. This is beautiful. It's got 3 deals on there, and that's going to turn into some kind of a cliffside village, I think. I'm going to have to give a lot of thought to this. But hey, Jordy, thanks a lot for sending this stuff to me. This is awesome. I'm going to have to give a lot of thought to putting that one together so I don't screw it up. Here's the money. Jordy sent me one of his little carvings, and that's proof that you want to save all those little pieces. Look at the perfection in this. If there's a guy who's carving wood spirits out there and the king of wood spirits, it's going to be Jordy, and there's a great maker's mark. So thanks for sending that, Jordy, and I appreciate it. And for the rest of you, it's going to be real quick. But here's the original paint that I did on the Yeti. Apparently, my daughter, who is an artist, and my son also, they do that sort of stuff for a living, decided that my talent was lacking, and that this guy wanted some more work. So I'm going to quit talking, and at the end, I'll obviously check out the links of people I do down in the bottom there. And watch my daughter finish painting this thing up. It only take about 5 more minutes of your time, and it's pretty awesome. I don't have the patience to layer the paint and do all that sort of stuff. So hey, thanks again, and Jordy, awesome. I do have your package still sitting here. I thought it might have went out yesterday, but it didn't. We got to repack a little bit. I don't want anything in there to break, and that'll be going up your way. So check out Just Carve Rob, Jordy, Mark the Maker, all these guys down in the links down there, and throw them some support so we can keep this stuff going and keep you guys entertained. Thanks a lot. This has been Ben with Studio on the Lake.